Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Xcity QG830 Bladeless Tower Fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. All-season cooling and heating, combines a powerful cooling fan and efficient space heater in one sleek tower, featuring 10 cooling speeds and 3 heating levels to keep bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices comfortable year-round. Remote and smart touch control, adjust temperature mode, wind speed, oscillation, and timer easily via the responsive LED touch panel or included remote control, convenient operation from anywhere in the room. Ultra-quiet and energy-efficient performance, powered by a high-efficiency brushless DC motor, this tower fan delivers strong airflow with low noise levels, 35 to 51 decibels, while consuming less energy, ideal for sleeping, working, or studying. Wide and flexible airflow coverage, features 71 degrees oscillation and a 180 degrees adjustable tilt angle to distribute smooth, even airflow across the room. The sturdy, well-balanced base ensures stable operation on any surface. Safe and modern bladeless design, the bladeless construction minimizes injury risks, making it perfect for homes with children or pets. Its slim, minimalist profile blends seamlessly into any modern living space. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.